Are you struggling to find it challenging to manage civil construction projects effectively while ensuring quality work? Introducing our civil construction company solutions designed to streamline your operations and enhance project efficiency. With our innovative civil construction company and expert support, you can easily manage timelines, allocate resources, and maintain high standards of quality. Our services are tailored to meet the unique needs of your projects, whether you're working on residential, commercial, or infrastructure developments. Imagine having a dedicated partner that not only understands the complexities of civil construction but also provides you with the latest technology and insights to drive your success. From project planning to execution, we're here to help you navigate every step of the way, ensuring that you meet your deadlines and exceed client expectations. To know more details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.